This is a station that calls itself Chicago's very own, and we're going in here today. Now, on their news shows, they have plenty of food segments that show delectable, delicious, scrumptious, fabulous food. But today we're going to talk to one of their morning show anchors whose comfort food is a kind of a kooky recipe. So, come on, we're going to go in. Now, the morning show is on the air right now, so we have to be really quiet as we go in. And a reminder to shut the doors quietly behind me. Some years ago, all of a sudden, a lot of fans started asking me, "Are you married to Larry Potash?" What was that about? Now, I'm going to ask your coworkers, right, this question, and I want to know if their answers are going to be somewhat similar to your answer. But on the air, you're handsome and suave and debonair.
Oh, well,
Is this the real Larry?
Is he?
Debonair.
He's suave?
Is he?
I don't know that suave is a word I would use to describe him.
He's a thinker. I'm much quieter off the air. You know, you've got to jack it up a little bit for TV because that's the job.
He's a fun guy to party with for the 2 times a year that he does it. Yeah, Larry goes crazy.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
He really lets loose.
Oh, yeah, all he needs is 2 beers, and that's it.
Then
Larry's,
what happens?
Puts on those jeans, too, and Fun Time Larry comes out.
Really?
Oh, yeah, he's had the same pair since 1987.
If you were to open a dictionary and look for Larry's picture,
Yeah.
okay, what word would be next to his picture?
Tall and handsome.
Oh!
Yeah, he's a tall guy, right?
Yes, he is.
And the hairpiece that he has on is one of the best.
Is Larry a good cook? Larry, from what I know, makes one dish.
Yeah.
My mom was an adequate cook, and this is one of her family recipes that we're making that I love.
Yeah.
And it's not the most healthy, but it hits the spot, especially in the winter, as a good substitute for like chili or spaghetti. Nova Scotia chop suey. And the story was, went to my grandmother's one time, and she said, "Oh, do you want me to make that chop suey?" And my sister and I went nuts because that sounded way too exotic, and we don't eat exotic things when you're 8. And my mother kind of gave her, it's macaroni, it's noodles. And so I kind of just, for the next generation on this recipe, I added a little twist to it, and I kind of tweaked the name a little bit just to make it more interesting.
Because Nova Scotia is...
That's where my mom's dad is from, Nova Scotia.
All right. Chop suey made the Nova Scotia way.
That's right.
That's what this is.
Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready, except this feels a little weird. I have to tell everybody, I am standing on a box about this tall.
Yes.
So that I could look you right in the eye.
And the box is on another box. No, this works well.
Does it work?
It works
for me.
me.
Because everybody knows that I'm short. It's okay. All right, so let's start. And you got this hot.
Water's boiling. This pan is hot.
Yes.
Let's get the beef going.
Let's get the beef going.
This is about a pound of beef.
Ta-da.
And so this will feed like a family of 5 for $10.
Yeah.
Takes 10 minutes to make.
Okay.
I'm going to get these noodles.
Okay. Well, I get this browning.
Yes.
Okay. And then
this is...
Make sure it's a rolling boil.
Salt.
Larry is a great chef. Trust me, aren't you?
Oh, yeah, I'm trying. I get better every day. So we'll dump the noodles in. This is a whole box.
Okay.
Let me do a little bit less.
All right.
And
if you want to do a whole box, you could just add a little more of the ground beef.
Really, it's more the Campbell's soup. You don't want to thin that out.
Okay.
Because that's where the flavors come.
That's the great flavor, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Now, we're not making fun of this recipe, are we?
Hey, it tastes good.
It tastes, okay. Some people think it tastes wonderful.
Some people. I made it for Rachel Ray once, and she was speechless.
In a good way or a bad way?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
She didn't say. She just said something like, I cooked something for Charlie Trotter once, and Charlie said, unbelievable.
Yeah.
Now, I didn't know if that was good or if that was bad, but he did take another bite.
Well, that's good.
So I took it as to mean that that was good. All right. Okay. So
That's
this is still
quickly.
browning. It's cooking very quickly, which is a good thing, but we want all of that pink to be gone. We want it
Okay.
all to be. So do we need to put any seasonings?
No.
Oh, okay.
How do these things work? Right front. Let me
Okay.
turn it down.
There, we turned it down. Whoops, 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 whoops.
Should I take this off?
Okay, yes, maybe take that off. Okay. Because we want this to be perfect. We want it to be al dente, don't we?
Right.
Okay.
Because you'll see, you don't have to cook it all the way through.
right.
Is it ready,
Take
do you think?
over.
How do you know it's ready? By stirring it.
I don't.
Oh, okay. I thought you
I
knew
was
something
trying to
I
make,
don't.
No, I was trying to make sure it wasn't sticking together.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. You know how I tell with pasta? I don't know if you can do that with macaroni, but I used to tell with pasta, you take a piece of it and you throw up against the wall.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You know about that?
Right, right.
Yeah. And if it sticks,
Yeah, then it's ready.
it means something.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. All right.
So, are
you're
we
going to
ready?
strain it?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to strain it. So once you strain it, and then
And then
back into this pot.
back into the pot.
All right.
Sorry.
Great.
Oh, you know what? I was going to put the soup in first. It really doesn't matter.
Okay.
You know what? I'm going to do 2 cans. You could do 3 cans.
Uh-huh.
You could do as many cans as you want.
Really? Because it's so good.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
I'm not a stickler for the recipe. You can.
Yeah.
I'm flexible.
There we go. Okay.
And so that I keep the flame going, and I stir this up because then it helps the sauce stick to the noodles.
Stick to the noodles and make it even more delicious.
Yes. Should we
Okay.
dump the
Yes. This
the
is
meat
about. This looks like it's ready. So I'll turn this off.
Okay.
You probably need the.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not bad. Okay.
Even still,
Yeah.
I'll
that
just be
again.
safe.
Okay.
All right.
Usually about this point I say, that smells so good.
Yeah. And
That smells so good.
it's getting there. It's not really
Okay.
mixed in together.
And then we keep it going. Oh, good. So it's really a matter of the ratio of the ground beef.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's important.
Yeah. You don't want anything to dominate. You want balance,
You want
right?
balance. Yeah.
And the only thing is the secret ingredient that I added.
Uh-huh.
That's the cherry kirsch.
Okay.
Why you say that?
I'm just smiling.
And then,
And then how much do you add?
oh, so just pour a little bit,
Yeah,
pour a little bit more in there. I see the way you're looking at me that you want a little more. So
Okay, there we go.
that's what I'll do.
All right, thanks.
And
Now we want it to cook for a while then because we want it to, the alcohol to cook off, right?
we
Just
do.
get the
Oh,
flavor in
all
there.
right, if you say so.
Yeah, because we want that. 'Cause
Yeah.
and then it makes the flavor that much richer, doesn't it?
Yeah, and I just, the noodles probably need to cook a little bit more too.
It's
And the
beautiful,
soup.
actually.
Look, huh? What did I
It
tell
is.
you?
It's gorgeous.
I know somebody said they wanted to put greens on here and stuff. We don't need any of your, as my mother would say, we don't need any of your parsley on here.
So,
It's fine just
can
the
we
way
see
it
that?
is.
All right. Look at this goodness. Okay.
Huh? Is it everything you thought it would be?
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
10 minutes, family of 5, like $8.
This is a great recipe.
Can't beat it.
Really, it is an unbelievable recipe, more accurately, right? By Larry Potash. It's Nova Scotia chopped suey. I still can't say it smoothly, but you can say it.
Nova Scotia chopped suey, and you're welcome.
Enjoy it, all right? We'll have more recipes next time at suntimes.com. Bye. For details on this recipe and more, go to suntimes.com.